This demo will show you how to fix issues with the brush roller not spinning in your Tineco iFloor. And take out the brush roller cover and rinse with water. Uninstall the brush roller to remove hair or debris. And rinse with water. Use your hand to rotate the roller drive shaft to ensure that it is rotating normally. Clean the brush roller chamber with a damp cloth and air dry for 24 hours. We highly recommend cleaning the HEPA and floater after every use to avoid bad odors developing. Issues with the brush roller not spinning properly are mainly due to inconsistent cleaning and maintenance.
Tineco.